Hi guys, this is Chris over here, Colton RV, Wind Gap, PA location. I'm here at our Lehigh Valley RV show down at Park Place Sullivan Trail. I just wanted to walk you through this beautiful Keystone Montana. It's one of our premium luxury brands of RVs. Let's go take a look around the outside. So on the outside here, first thing, we have this beautiful Road Armor hitch pin. This is going to help bevel some of that chucking that you would get driving down the road, so you get an extra benefit with that. And then above here, you also have this patented hitch vision. This will allow you to be able to see into the bed of your truck, giving you a little bit of extra security when you're backing into the RV. Coming around the backside here, we do have Lippert auto level. This is a 6-point auto level, 2 jacks up front, 2 jacks in front of the axles, and 2 jacks behind, giving you a full nice level system. All you have to do is press a power button, hit auto level, and it'll do it all for you. You can see inside our nice big pass-through storage up front here. You do have plenty of room to store all of your goodies, and you can actually see a solar charge controller up here on the left side and inverter. That will get you with our solar panel up on the roof as well. We also have all of your water connections in one centralized location, so the added benefit of knowing where all that stuff is, and it helps secure it, so in the winter, you're gonna be able to maintain some of that warmth. Coming around the back side here, you can see we have 2 massive slides. And then my favorite part of this 3791 RD here is this amazing rear storage area. So you have access to it on the sides, and then the added benefit of pulling just this little handle right here, and you have a huge cargo tray, which gives you access to everything that you would need all the way in the back of that storage area. There is a ladder on here, so it is a fully walkable roof, so you can climb up on there, do any of your maintenance. You can walk on the slide tops. All of that is good. And you do have a 200-watt solar panel on the roof, which is going to help charge your battery in conjunction with that charge controller to help you keep the life of your battery and actually run your fridge as well. Coming down the side here, you can see more access to all of your storage compartments, 2 off-camp slides, and then again, some access here to your pass-through storage. All right, now that we've gone around the outside of the RV, let's head on inside. Now we're inside the 22 Keystone Montana 3791 RD. Let's take a look here starting in the kitchen. So we do have a nice big island here that you have access to these double bowl sinks. It's a 70-30 split. There are matching tops for that as well, so you can cover this up if you need the extra workspace. You have a residential style fridge here in the corner. This gives you the ability to actually run off of solar as well. So you can you can run this while you're on the road, which is nice. And you have a nice big pantry here in the corner as well. So you can store all of your food goods, keep that in one spot, and a coffee bar right next to that as well. You have a nice big countertop here with some nice pop-up outlets. So you have some extra ways to plug stuff in. You have an upgraded Suburban stovetop with the glass cover that you can flip back and use as a backsplash, and a nice large oven in here as well. They give you a residential style and sized microwave, so you've got plenty of room, and it's convection to heat up anything that you need to eat. And one little nice feature they give you in the kitchen here as well, they give you a nice little spice rack. So this here just pulls right down. You have a spot to store all your spices. Normally you'd lose that space. This one, they give you an option for it. All right, you can see some storage down here underneath our rear den as well, so you can store some stuff down in this area. Let's head up into the den. Now you've got lots of living room space up here. You've got 2 couches. These will both fold out into beds, so you have extra sleeping space for any of your friends that come along. And you also have, behind my cameraman here, a beautiful reclining and 6-way adjustable Thomas Paine furniture set there, so you can get comfy while watching some TV or using this rear view window, checking out your views. You do have an upgraded JBL sound system and fireplace in here. And with the JBL sound system, they also give you a subwoofer that you can adjust the gain on too. With a quick hit of a button, you can bring your TV right up and be able to enjoy anything you want to enjoy, whether it's movies with the kids, sports with the friends. You have the option of doing all of that as well on this beautiful 50-inch TV. All right. From here, we'll head back down into the dining area. We have plenty of room for you to seat 4 people here, but if you need the extra space, this also has a nice little flip-up adjustment here, so you can add some extra dining space as well. There are 2 folding chairs that match this set, stored up in the bedroom as well. Heading back the hallway, nice arched handrail for you to get up here, and a little cubby spot for keys and jackets. And then you have the massive bathroom with a beautiful set here, a porcelain toilet, and you can tell there's plenty of room in here for anybody in this shower. Heading back here into the bedroom, we do have a built-in dresser here and a spot for a TV. And a king-size bed, perfect for 2 or more, depending on how many people, if it's the kids or the dogs that join you. And there's actually 2 hidden shelves up here as well, which they call their CPAP shelves, so you can hide that up above you and not knock your head on them. You do have a massive closet space in the front of this as well, and a little pull-out hamper, so you have somewhere to throw your dirty clothes. And last but not least, up here, we have this big closet with a washer-dryer hookup. So if you want to live in this full-time, this is actually full-time warrantied as well. The last thing I want to talk about here with Keystone is this upgraded filter here. Keystone in the Montanas uses the Mach-Q system from Coleman, which allows a residential style filter, pulling any sort of contaminants out of the air, whether that be dust mites, pollen, anything of that sort. Thanks for stopping by and checking out this 2022 Keystone Montana 3791 RD. Another few specs here on this unit. We're looking at about 14,200 pounds on a dry weight, and this is about 40 feet in length. If you're looking for this item or others like it, come check us out at the Lehigh Valley RV show down at Park Plaza at 1800 Sullivan Trail. We'll be here Thursday through Sunday this week, so come check us out. If you can't make it, no worries. You can go on to our website, coltonrv.com, check out our inventory there, or you can stop by our Wind Gap, Pennsylvania location. Look forward to seeing you soon.